Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where File Explorer is showing files even though they do not exist on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. I will stick to two resolutions only. The first one is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. And the second one is disk cleanup to delete all the temporary files so that you don't face this issue, because temporary files in cache also push for these files, the existence of these files in File Explorer. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. And last of all, you will have to perform a antivirus scan. So search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection on the list on the left hand side. Select scan options, click on full scan, scroll down, click on scan now, and this will fix the problem for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.